Are you looking to get a simple professional website for your real estate business up and running in just 5 minutes? Great, you're in the right video. I'm going to show you simple and easy how to get a simple website and that looks professional up online for your real estate business, no matter if you're a real estate agent, commercial real estate, broker, what have you. And I'm going to show you how to do this. There's no coding. There's absolutely nothing complicated involved, and just a straightforward and easy way to get your business online. Let's break that down for you right now. And the good news is the platform starts at just $9 a month. So it's super affordable too. So let me share my screen. Okay, so start by clicking on the link below to Mighty Sites. It's a 7-day free trial, super easy platform. All you do is you go in here and I'll show you first and foremost, they have templates for every single type of local business that you could possibly want. You just go in here and you type in, like just say real estate, for instance. So real estate agency, real estate agent, real estate investor, commercial real estate, whatever you want. So I'm just going to click on real estate agent and I'll just say Keegan's real estate business, right? And then I'm just going to go here, type of service. It's a service business, Denver, Colorado. And then I'm going to click continue. And now what's going to happen for me here is it's going to generate the template, and there's a nice little getting started video. I recommend you actually click through and look through this. It shows you like the basics of how to customize the whole template. And then I like here at the end because it shows success stories. So it shows you all the flexibility. So even though it's a simple template, it shows all the flexibility of how you can actually put this together to create a nice, beautiful website, no matter what type of business or local business you are. Let's stick with the real estate for now. So check it out. Now it's just deployed a simple professional template for my real estate business that is really easy for me to customize and make me look exactly the way that I want. So first, obviously you want your phone number in here. So you just go in, and just to show you how easy this is to customize, I just save my phone number. There it is. Save it. I can update my social links, and let's just go in and put, like, if you have a Facebook page for your real estate business, you would just put the link to that there, save it. And now there's a Facebook icon with their link. If you have a logo, you can put that in here. That's great and easy to do. And when you add a logo, click on the pencil. There's all types of editing tools to customize or crop your logo. You can update the design of any of these sections too. So if you want different layout options, like you want it centered or to the left, all of the different sections have that option as well. So you can choose really the layout that suits you the best in your design. You can add any new menu items there, but then here's a really cool part. So obviously schedule appointment, this links to a lead form, but you can also, that's just by default, you can also change this action button to link to another website. So if you have like a booking software or Calendly or something, you can link right to that. You can link just to have people click to call, or a PDF, or any other section of your website too. And then updating the content is really easy. So if you're just like, if you want this to be call Keegan today, right? I can update the content really quickly and easily there and just save it, and it updates my contact and anything that I write. Now here's the super cool part. So if I go to update section and I want to change the images, I can connect my Instagram to pull images directly from my Instagram. I can browse my computer to upload any photos that I have or use those. Or I can search this photo library of 5 million photos that are stock images, pre-licensed for you to use, that you can just like literally search anything you want and use those as images to populate the site. So it's super simple and easy to customize. And then once you have this, looking and functioning the way that you like, so I'm going to click on stop editing. Now you can just go to your site dashboard, and you've got two options. You can connect a domain that you already own, or connect a new domain. And if I go back to the site, then any leads that you get or inquiries, they'll just go right here into your inbox, and you'll get an email notification letting you know that they came. And again, to launch this version is just $9 a month. It starts right there to launch this simple professional website for your business and get up and running to attract more people to your real estate business. If you like this video, hit that subscribe and like so you stay tuned for all the tips and tools that are coming to teach you how to actually customize your site, get the most out of your Mighty Sites website for your business. Thanks so much for joining me. Click on that link below for your free trial, and we'll catch you in the next video.